2 bwynt oedd yn gwahanu Llanilltud Fawr a Pontypridd ar frig tabl cyngrair y 10 cyn y penwythnos. Felly roedd hi'n gêm anferth bnawn Sadwrn. Aeth y tîm cartra ar y blaen wedi 4 munud i olchi Benia Josh Jones o gic gornel. Ar ôl sgorio'r gol gyntaf, llwyddodd Jones i ennill cicor smotyn. Sgilia gwych ganddo i ddenu'r drosedd gan Oliver Dalton wedi 44 munud. Penderfyniad hawdd i'r dyfarnwr. Prif sgoriwr y cyngrair, Thomas Walters, gymrodd y cyfrifoldeb. Dim problem o gwbl, Llanilltud Fawr yn dyblu'r fantais. Yn rhyfeddol, cafodd y tîm cartra geicor smotyn arall yn yr amser gafodd ei ganiatáu ar gyfer anafiadau yn yr hanner cynta. Jordan Knott yn tynnu ar grys Anthony Rawlings yn y cwrt wrth i bethau fynd o ddrwg i waith i Ponty. Y dyn ei hun, Walters yn barod amdani unwaith eto ac yn sgorio gol rhif 19 am y tymor ac yn dangos pam i fod yn brif sgoriwr. Roedd Ian Trailer yn meddwl i fod o wedi sgorio i Pontypridd funud i mewn i'r ail hanner, ond gwaith amddiffynol gwych gan Sean Williams i glirio'r ergyd oddi ar y llinell. Roedd amser am gol gysur yn y funud ola i'r ymwelwyr. Y capten, Gavin Beded, yn penio i gefn yr hwyd, ond roedd hi'n rhy hwyr i Pontypridd wrth i Llanilltud Fawr gipio triphwynt holl bwysig.
At the start of the year, though, the aim was to avoid relegation. So that's achieved. It's just game by game for us now. It's a massive result today when you look at the league table, but for us and everyone in that change room now, it's just game by game.
Yeah, bitterly disappointed. I think key moments in the first half went against us. I think we need to look back on ourselves and our own performance in terms of how we let that first half run away from us, being 3-0 down at half-time. I think second half was certainly a reaction, but to be chasing a 3-0 deficit with 45 minutes to go against a team who are in a similar position to us in the league is always going to be an uphill task. So I think after the first half moments, we gave ourselves too much to do in the second half.
I said to the boys at half-time, we go back out now and it's 0-0 again. So it's massive for us. I'm a bit gutted to concede a goal at the end. It's a great ball in from Trailer, but I'm gutted to concede, if I'm honest.
It's for us to look at ourselves now, review things and move forward in the 9 games remaining, chase down Llantwit's 5-point lead, but also ensure that we, as a minimum, continue to hold that second place, given the Tier 1 licensing applications that are being processed at the moment.